Hello, I'm Matt, and this is my channel, Sawdust Passion. Today, I'm going to be making this headphone stand. With Blue Monday just around the corner, and things being as difficult as they are right now, I thought I'd make something to give away and hopefully brighten someone's day. I always find that music really helps me when I'm struggling with something. So, in this instance, I thought a headphone stand and headphones would be a great giveaway. Stick with me and see how you can get your hands on this and the Sony headphones. Start by designing the stand in Fusion 360. I then create a paper template for the pieces. I could cut the neck out of a single piece of wood, but because of the direction of the grain it would end up with a weakness somewhere. So instead, I'm going to cut it out in 4 pieces, working with the grain. I know it's only going to be holding headphones, but this also makes it a bit more challenging. I print out the template I've designed and roughly cut out all the pieces on the bandsaw. I've not really got the right blade on the bandsaw, but I'm going to go with it and get as close as I can. Because end grain to end grain doesn't give you a great bond, I've decided to do half laps on each of the joints around the neck. Now I'm going to take my time, using a rasp, file and chisels to clean up each joint and get them as tight as possible. So this project isn't as easy as I thought it would be. But instead of giving up, I'm going to keep going and see what I end up with. Whilst the neck dries, I move on to sanding the base. I don't use any fancy jigs, just slowly sanding up to the line, turning as I go. Now that the joints in the neck are glued, I can now sand the inside and outside of the neck. Again, I just creep up to the line. To be honest, I'm quite pleased. I'm going to add a little bit more glue and some sawdust just to fill in a few gaps, but all in all, it's not too bad. Next, I'm going to file down the groove where the headphones sit. After lots of sanding, I can now glue the neck and the base together. Now to add some finish. I'm using boiled linseed oil, which I'm just wiping on. So I mentioned at the start that I'm going to give you the chance to win the stand and some headphones. So here's how you do it. Over the next week, I want you to do one thing just to brighten somebody's day. Doesn't have to be a gift, doesn't have to be financial. It could be write somebody a nice letter or just give somebody a call that you've not spoken to in a while. But just something a little extra. Let me know in the comments below what you've done before Thursday the 21st of January at midnight GMT. Then on Friday, I'll pick the winner. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe and follow your passion.